The first three terms of a GP are x plus 3, and 4x. Find the two possible values for the common ratio. For each value, find these first three terms and the common ratio. So we are given the sequence or the GP as x plus 3, and 4x. So for us to get the common ratio denoted by r, we are going to divide a term by the preceding term. So in the first case, we could take x plus 3, and we divide by the preceding term, which is x. Or we could take 4x, and we divide by the preceding term, which is x plus 3. So this is r and that is r, so we could equate them, so that we have 4x over x plus 3 is equal to x plus 3 over x. So we can cross multiply, so that we have x times 4x, that is 4x squared, is equal to x plus 3 times x plus 3, x plus 3 times x plus 3. So if we expand this using the quadratic identities, we'll have 4x squared is equal to x squared plus 6x plus 9. That is from the quadratic identities, or you could expand that manually. So we can rewrite this as 4x squared minus x squared minus 6x minus 9 is equal to 0. So that is the same as 3x squared minus 6x minus 9 is equal to 0. So we have a quadratic equation that we can use any method to solve. So in this case, I prefer we use the factorization method. So in factorization method, we are going to need two numbers whose product is the same as a times c. So in this case, a is 3 and c is negative 9. So their product should be 3 times negative 9, that is negative 27, and their sum should be the same as negative 6 there. So those two numbers are negative 9 and 3. Negative 9 and 3, because negative 9 times 3 is negative 27, negative 9 plus 3 is negative 6. So we'll split b in terms of negative 9 and 3. So we can write the quadratic equation as 3x squared minus plus 3x minus 9x minus 9 is equal to 0. So the common factor between this and this is 3x. So we have 3x into x plus 1. So we expect x plus 1 this side, so x plus 1. And for us to get a negative 9 here and a negative 9 there, it means we have to multiply by negative 9 is equal to 0. So that we have 3x minus 9 times x plus 1 is equal to 0. So if 3x minus 9 is equal to 0, then it means that 3x is equal to 9, which then implies that x is equal to 3. And if x plus 1 is equal to 0, then it means that x is equal to negative 1. So we can form then the GP using our x. So when x is 3, when x is equal to 3, then we'll have the GP as x, which is 3, then x plus 3, that is 3 plus 3, which is 6, then 4x, that is 4 times 3, which is 12. So in this case, the common ratio will be the same as 6 over 3, which is 2. And when x is negative 1, in this case, we'll have the first term as x, which is negative 1, the second term as negative 1 plus 3, which is 2, and the third term as 4 times x, so 4 times negative 1, that is negative 4, like that. And in this case, r will be 2 over negative 1 or negative 4 over 2. So you can take any of them then r will be negative 2. So we have the answer there.